they'll win and let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci Hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. She on a fire trip again. I know.
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no wig on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks.
What is good, loves? Back with another wig review. Let's get into the details of this hair, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and let's stay connected. So the wig that I will be reviewing in this video is by Parfait Tailored Hair, locally based in Dallas, Texas. Straight out the box, the hair smelled amazing, fresh out the salon. Yeah, do I smell Paul Mitchell? In the box, it comes with everything you need, including your rat tooth comb, an elastic band, edge brush, 2 clips, a storage hanger bag just in case you want to tote the wig and travel anywhere you need to go, including a pair of scissors. So the wig that I will be reviewing in this video is the number 36 Wavy HD Lace Wig. The wig construction inside comes with a breathable cap so you have more access to get to the scalp. I know that's right, honey. That's gonna be itching. And do you not see how this lace is melting into my hand like butter? This poor child done said butter. Somebody taking the Texas Roadhouse. So let's try this wig on, see what she's looking like. On the site, you can literally pick whichever texture, length. It even gives you the option between a frontal or a closure. Honey, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Like straight up out the box. Out the box, bitch. It looks so good. I mean, they literally give you the option of layers, no layers, glueless, non-glueless. They even give you the option to let them style the hair for you. So I'm just taking my little shear scissors that came in the package and I'm just cutting off the tabs that is just hovering over my ears. Just cutting off the lace that I won't be needing. Customizing this wig, I did pick the glueless option, so I really don't have to use any glue. And just look how it's just blending into my skin, baby. The wig is so gorgeous at its natural state. I could literally walk out the house just like this. So all I have to do is just cut these tabs, but I'm just going to take a little bit of my adhesive spray, spray the sides down just a little bit just to give it that extra security. After that, I'm just going to tie my edges down and get ready to style the wig. I'm thinking about putting just some loose curls into the hair. So I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary after I finish styling the hair. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're interested in the wig that I'm wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link and all the info down in the description below, so be sure to check that out.
Dressed up for me, but you don't want to show anybody. Super low key, you don't know anybody. Can't wait to see you down in private. You know my deepest dark desire. Whoa. I seen everything, I felt you too. You were the best part. If nobody told you, baby, you're pressure. I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been solo, we're doing begins. And to me, you are the star, show still. Even though I really dance, I didn't roll it. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no shit, no more. My girl got diamonds on her arm, diamonds in her ear. She even wear that diamonds for a year. I'm trying to treat you special, like no one did. My baby skips the nightlife and the sideline just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat her special, like no one ever did. Oh baby, I've been with friends, I've been sober, we're doing begins. For you. And to me, you are the star, the show, my show. try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to call, something keeps pulling me back. Everything gon' be alright. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life.
Yeah, I know what this is.
It was all good at first, spending money, going shopping, eating at the finest restaurants, and if I'm good, she was right there with me, bottle popping, living it like that. She just didn't understand my lifestyle, and that I ain't like that. I ain't like every in the world, got your diamonds, got your pearls, but I can't help it if they be attracting all the girls. Baby, I'm a superstar, and that come with it. Got a good on your side, you better run with it. Even though I'm on the road doing shows, I made time for me and her relationship to grow. They tell me to trust a woman in this industry, but she not any woman, more like a sacred friend to me. Plus when I'm out of town, I always think of her. Might conversate with some chicks, but no one come above her. I thought I was your man, guess you ain't understand. And now I'm sitting here looking crazy like damn.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to call, something keeps telling me that everything's gonna be alright. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be for me, so that means we gotta make it work.
I love you, with my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady leaving, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, girl, your face is seeing why tears and night. Should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Friend, now everything is and again, no sorry can't end without it. Damn, I love you, you're my girl. See,
When I tell you this hair, this wig is worth every penny. Child, I don't know how I'm gonna get my rent paid for the month, but I know I look fabulous. Starting with the packaging, the presentation of the wig itself. Parfait did not come to play. A company with great packaging, great presentation, take their business and customers very serious. I love how they customize their wigs differently for each and one of their clients. Shipping and handling did take about 2 weeks to get to me, but that is because the wig is customized. The hair is super thick and long. I will be ordering another one. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.
and that's party. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no.